Hello, 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 everybody. How are you? Hope you guys doing well. So, funny, already falling, eh? Good job. So, yeah, we had some nice time yesterday. Today, I just opened the market. Now, I'm gonna have a look. I don't know what to do, but we'll find something. So, they came here. So, this one I already marked it yesterday. Let me close the windows. I've got cold today. In the UK, the weather is changing. Like, so, I mean, it was so hot all of a sudden. Like yesterday was raining. I mean, in London, and I was inside the rain. So, I mean, got a little bit of. I'm all right, but it's like not 100%. That's it. Okay. Sorry. So they came to previous week low. Look here. Remember yesterday we were talking about level trading. So they came around, I don't know, after I think 7:30 or something like that. Yeah. So then what they did, they have to do reaction, isn't it? So this was the one of the trade. I took it from here when they're going down, and I came out low hanging fruit target, and then they came back, created a exact double top here. If you check it here, we have few minutes just to talk something. Look at this. How it looked like a house and a roof. So it's not good sign, isn't it? So everybody know that, like you guys know that, what is my actual view of the market. Let me go a little bit. Okay, crazy things. Let me see if I can. Okay, no, not this one. I want to get rid of hide drawing. Let's say, yeah. So this is the monthly. Okay. So this monthly candle is. We got only 1.5 minutes. Cannot talk even this shit. So just think that, I'm long term, I'm like bullish. You know why? Because this one, long term, I'm thinking if the market should go high, but short term, they can do anything. But today is very critical, okay? Because the market is quite, I'm checking the time and I'm getting under pressure. Look, this is the daily. If we check the daily, look, where are they right now? So they taken out this liquidity and then they traded the midpoint of this gap. And if you check this inversion gap, they just body didn't close even under this one. So still now this one now still need to take out either today's low or today's high. So previous day high, previous day low is still intact. So anything can happen from there. Where are they right now? In the middle. Okay. So we got 1 minute left. We're gonna slowly have a look. And then if you go to weekly as well came down here. So why I'm saying long term, I'm like, short term looks like bearish, long term look like bullish. So do you understand? So this is the situation right now. And then we got some things coming up next week. I'll discuss about these things another time. Okay. So this is the ES monthly chart. So do you think this candle should close down here? I mean, they can do anything, but like already they created this order block. This is the kind of order block. Yeah. So this is the opening price. They're already going up. Do you think this candle should close down here and make a bearishness? I don't know. I mean, to me, I never seen something like this. Okay. So I have to believe like this. 2 candle down, 1 candle up. Let's see. Anyways, long term bearish, but short term we'll trade what we see. That's it. That's the logic. Let me get all my lines back. Hide drawing. I don't want to hide anymore. Let's get, where is the, oh my god, don't say all my things gone. Oh, what is it, man? How to get it back? I don't even know, man. All my drawing gone. No. How to get it back? Don't say all my drawing gone, yeah? I actually, seriously, I never did it, and now I did it. I don't even know how to get it back. How to get my things back, man. Look at this, how stupid I am. Keep drawing. Where are this? I hide drawing, and then after that, what happened? Did I delete it? I don't even know. I didn't delete it. Sorry guys, I'm just not active right now. I'm just trying to find my drawing back. I'll be so sad. Okay, understood now. Sorry. This is my look at it, look at it. Time pressure, you know? Okay, anyways. And now I have to see where are they right now. Okay. So this one going down from here. So now this candle got half an hour left. Either they have to rebalance it here or they need to go through. So now what I'm expecting? At least, you know, previous day high, previous day low, these kind of things we are targeting today. So any of these side can be taken today, okay? So we don't know which side. So that one we are trying to understand. They are coming, they've taken out this low and they created double top here, remember these things. And they traded previous week low 10 times. So I mean like 2 times, you know, just to be too much dramatic. So there is no gap already, okay? So now, what are you expecting? This candle, you think they're gonna go through? I will try to think that, you know, short-term trading, I will try to think that to look for a little buying opportunity. Let's see. If I get it, I'll just do it quickly. Let me get into my chart. So these are the prices I'm watching. Okay, what is it called? Midnight opening price, and then we are watching the today's opening price. Okay, so this is the things we are watching. So they have to take with either the high and low of the trade. How they coming down from here? They can still go down. My idea was like not here. I thought from there they will fall, but I wanted them to fall like, you know, a little bit later. But if they're falling right now like this, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try to do a quick buy from somewhere. Let me see where. This was the opportunity, but this is not good. Okay, let me see if there is anything else I can see. These are the area I can see. So this candle, if they have to be going up for a while, they should not close that far. They can create a tail. Okay, perfect. Let me see this one as well. What else they have? All right, yeah. So this is the area I'm watching them. Okay. This could be the, you know, like a little bit early, and this can be a little bit buying opportunity to us, actually. Actually, buying opportunity was here. But I'm waiting, and let's see first how they react. Because there will be lots of opportunity. If they have to show a sign to go up as well, we'll buy it. But I have to see how they do right now. Because this one closed down, this one can be, you know, this candle can be, if they're now going down, we don't know. But this candle was supposed to extend tiny bit longer, more, but it didn't because the market open, anything can happen. Okay, so I have to be open for anything. This low didn't take out anything. So if they are bearish, they can be bearish. I don't care, but how far they can go, you know, already there are some marks there. Yeah, there was not a trade. I didn't have a trade because I was like worried about my drawing. So 9:30 open. This one, only thing was that this one didn't. Just this one make like proper double top from area. where they're supposed to make it. Okay, fine, perfect. It's okay, let them do it. They'll give you opportunity. So now they already created something. What I will little bit later maybe trust them. But this is the indecision candle. Oh, look at the candle. This one, nothing, not black, not green, nothing. So now they're bouncing back from the 00 price. Can I trust them? This time, let's see if they can create continuation. Until they create continuation, there is nothing. Okay, so one candle gone down, one candle gone up. This candle should not take out this low if they have to do something. This low, because the new day opening gap is here, they can do it as well. But let's see. Okay, they did it. Perfect, no problem. So we need to see this low now, how they react. Because I could sell it from there, but where would be my stop loss? Sorry for that. The next candle we can look for an opportunity as well. Let's see. But this is like a high risk trade. It's very, very short term. Don't follow this kind of trade at all. The chart is not set up yet because I'm rushing because I've got work today. So I'm trying to like do something quickly and try to go. That's why I lose money on Friday. And Monday I come exhausted. I lose money on Monday as well. You already know about these things. So they're coming. Big down closer. But look at the area they're falling from here. That is the things I was trying to say. Look at my trade from there. I took it from here. I came out here, short-term trading. But the problem is that I have to find, who gonna understand these things? It was like a kind of trade. I couldn't trust it. But I was not there anyways that time. I found it here. So now they've taken out this low, this low. So that means they proper becoming bearish. So whatever they're doing, we'll just see. So now we can look for a quick, maybe something if they give us any sign. Look, the level, So 18 to already 38, 20 points, you could get it from this kind of area. I mean, you should not blindly buy it, but it is what it is. What can you do? But this buy is a stupid buy. Don't do that because they're now creating a big candle of the 4 hours. Where they want to go, they have something left underneath. They got quite a lot of things underneath, I think. These are the area. If they show sign for a while, buying is not a bad idea. Time as well, we have to check it. So they close down. It's not a good idea. So now this one. See? Reaction from the midpoint. But it's not good. Good reaction. So that's why they're falling. So it's good. I cannot sell it like that. I'm sorry. I'm not a like a. I have to only see after this candle. I can trade after this one. Maybe. If this one closed like this, then the next candle, I could get a trade. But then after, what is it called? 3 o'clock as well, I'll get trades. I'm not worried about it. So there was a gap here. Okay. So now they came and traded that area. So I'm not that much worried. They have to give me some sign. This sign, things from new day opening gap, they're trying to regain it. Let them close here. If they can close here, then we'll see. So now they traded the 00 again. But this one itself, if you want to take a trade from here, the stop loss there can be a trade from there long. But this is risky trade. Okay, only believing the new day opening gap. A very small stop loss has to be. Where is it? Let's say it here, and the stop loss has to be under, it should not go under there. Simple as that. Okay, midpoint even. Let's say 820 points to get just here. Flat candle. If they don't do it, we'll get a stop out. That's the things. This is, like a short term, why only anticipating that they will close on the top of that. This one didn't do anything, only believing this candle, okay? But it would be believable if this candle was taken out this low. Otherwise, there is no point of doing these things. Now, it's not a good trade actually, but still it's a trade. You have to take 18 points risk to take something, no? But this is not a good trade. It can another time go down. This is just to see if they can give us a little something, because this is the area. Let's say new day opening gap, but they don't have power. If they do it, they will do it quickly, and then they will. Because very became bearish. They have to be fast, big candle need. If they close on the top of that, I don't know what's gonna happen. But look, they don't have power, do they? But this candle, as they came up, I have some little bit of hope, but I hope they don't close. If they can close on the top of that, next candle can give something to you, but it's very likely you will get a stop out. Yeah. So this one is ugly, see? Proper ugly. But nowadays price action is crazy. Look at the candle they created and the next candle, how they're trapping people, you see? So now if they close, the next candle will be big maybe. But they're struggling. Struggling. Look, the world stopped right now. All of a sudden they fell for a while and then the world got stopped. Why? God knows. So let me check my 15 minutes all the time. I have to check today all the candles properly. All the candles have to be properly checked. This is, looks like they're slowly grinding. Maybe they will give us, I don't know. Where is the fast presented gap? These things to me, but lots of people say this one. I don't know. This is not a good sign. Are they? Stopped out. So that's it. So this was, you can understand that is not showing us good things, but still we got opportunity still now. How? We'll see. Got 1 minute 44 seconds. Let's see if they can close under. Now they've taken out this low. The next candle, let's see what they do. Because all this, look, these are all failure swings. So this is today's low. Let me mark it today's low. Yeah, this is today's low. So until that, maybe they don't want to today's low. Yeah, so this one is there. So these are all failure swing, yeah? Failure swing. So today's low, they just grinded up. So if they come down, this one already traded perfectly. Previous day. 1 minute left. Let's see how they behave. If they take today's low and there could be a bounce, I'll take it as well. If they give me an opportunity from 15 minutes, this gap, or there is a, I mean, they should ultimately today, how they're doing, previous day low can be the target, but I don't know when it will take it. There is no news, I think. Let me see. No. Today not 100%, man. Just not feeling good. And I have to go to work, It's like prison time. There is a news, yeah. Services PMI. So services PMI, let's see. 7 seconds left. There is a news. News, take out this low and then give us something, man. Okay, they're taken out this low. Now they're going up. See? 53, 54. Nothing to do with these things. So now they came up. If they close on the top of that, will you buy it? They close down under all these things, So I don't know, man. Yeah, this one, look, see. So they stopped us out. Now, can I buy it? That's the question. If they would close on the top of it, will they give us inversion? That's the question. Are they not? Can't we buy from here? No, they didn't close it on the top. They have to close it like a very, very big candle, but they didn't. Sorry, this one is not my trade. Sorry for that. So now they inverted, but they didn't close on the top of that. So it's still now, we don't know. Will they create a gap? That's the question. No, they don't have a gap. So they came to tap the new day opening gap. So now what they gonna do? Are they falling further, or they gonna give us a further up entry? I hope they give us a up entry for a little bit at least. Because this one now tested the midnight opening price. They need to close on the top of that, but they don't have no power, you see. So it's not a good sign, I have to say. If they close on the top of that, that would be nice. Then there will be like a quick flash, and then that's it. Then after that, we don't know what they're gonna do. This one has to close on the top of that, not here like that. Oh, we got 6 seconds left. Come on, do it. You have to close on the top of that. Go faster. Now they didn't close. So this is not good again. I cannot, but it can be like, my trade got stop out, and now this is now they close down on the top of that. So this one, if we consider it as an order block, you can take the trade from this inversion maybe. But this will be, when they go down, not ideal. I would say if they can create a continuation from here. So now they came here to take out this candle low, not good anymore. So this one is this order block, they didn't care. So if this one was an order block, this is not a nice order block. That's what I'm saying. So that means they've taken out liquidity from there, tested the midnight opening price, and now they're closing under. So then will you trust it to take it down to today's low? Up to you, and what else they have? They have all this equal. Yeah, today's low. This one. So this low, still saying that. So this low should be protected if they wanted to go up. But it's not a good idea to trade. They didn't close. Okay, so they only close under here. So they don't have a gap. So they only inverted this area back again, regained it, and now they're falling. Because of the new day opening gap, they're struggling here. If they close here, next candle can be selling opportunities there. Even maybe this one. Look, now they close, they've taken out this low again little bit. Now this one coming up to test the new day opening gap. Can I sell it from there? Little bit up, please. Midpoint. Little bit up. Here maybe somewhere. Let's see if we can get a sell, and our stop loss will be on the top. But they've taken out this liquidity. That's the only scary part. So this one can be my entry. Let's see if we take entry from here. Where could be my stop loss? For sure on the top of this one. Look, they're betraying us. So because they've taken out this liquidity, the shallow run. Where it could be the target 1 to 2, it looks like, yeah. So if it works, it might not work because of the new day opening gap. I didn't take this kind of trade. I'm not taking it, yeah. I'm just talking with you guys. Yeah, because this one looks like they look how smoothly they taken out. That's what I'm saying. It might not work. Look, not smoothly, like look little bit. So that's why it didn't work. So now what it did, it created again bullish sign. So they closed down back again. Okay. So it's 50-50, but they've taken out this low. It invalidated. It's telling me that they're taking this side, that side. So that's why this trade is not a good idea. But if they stop you out, I would say that is the one. If they don't stop you out, you'll get this run up to there. That's what I'm thinking. So it's 1.5, let's say, but they need to close quickly. I don't think they're closing. They look like they're doing everything. So that side they didn't take out this high. This side they taken out this low, and now they're closing back again. What are you thinking? Like, does it look like a consolidation little bit? Because if they have to fall until 10 o'clock, maybe they can stay around this area. And then after that, maybe they can trade this gap, 15 minutes gap, and then they can fall. So this trade idea is actually a stupid idea. Okay, so I'm just coming out. Even though it's give me a profit, I don't want to be inside that one. They can go, but I don't care anymore. Because they've taken out this liquidity. That's why look, they scary. But if they close now under, that part is possible. But should I trade like that? Let's see if they can close. So they've taken out this low back again and coming back inside. Do you understand what kind of price is there? But still, look, I would have win, but I don't care about those kind of trade because now they can go down. I don't care. Because it's every day same thing they're doing. Like after a certain period of time from 9:50, they're doing consolidation until 11 o'clock. Then they're moving, I mean, not liking it anymore. So like pre-market move look at this. And then after that 9:30 open, they just struggling. So it still didn't close. Okay, so how can you trust a continuation as well? Only thing you can say that 2 days low can be taken by this one. That's the only way I can think of. Okay, let me see further evidence, further things. This one looks like a proper bearish. So now NQ is very close to previous day's low. So what am I thinking now? Will they come and take out previous day low? Or they're gonna just from here they're gonna bounce back? So they didn't take out today's low. Okay, they created double. They've taken out all this low. There is this one as well. Sorry, this one. This low now they taken, and then they little bit showing us. So this low now created a gap there. One gap, two gaps. When they come back here without taking this liquidity, can you trust it? Where will be your risk to reward? Not good. I'm not trading. So this low is not valid anymore. So they taken out this low. Perfect. Today's low taken. They traded this gap. This low taken. Perfect. Everything done. Now what? Everybody will try to take out previous day low. Now this is the time they can do us a upper manipulation maybe. That's what I think this way. Okay. So what? You need a sign for that. Everything done. So only thing is that they don't have a what is it called, like a, they have to be very, very fast and quick if they have to do it here. Inversion, everything they have to do. So now this one will be inversion gap. But look at this. If I just enter from there, how beautiful it would be. I entered it, but I came out with a little one. But the thing is that I came out here. So the long was, let's say, look, a long, forget about it. Look at the range it created after that. 50 points. I entered it here and then I maybe took 40 points around. So that's it, done. So then now this gap can create issue. Do I want to be in this one? No. Short-term trading, done. You understand? Because now what they can do, they know that everybody is selling now from here to get previous day low. So they will try to do something here. Maybe this one not a good sign. Already they're showing weakness. So do you understand how important to come out from a level? This level came out. That's it, done. Because you know why? Because this is a order block. Look, order block top. If you check it, this is the order block they created. Look at the price came. Do you understand? So this is the test from the order block. Now, is it finished? No, they've taken out big liquidity. This can be a bigger run. This kind of area, the problem is that lots of people is scared to trade. People like me, I'm scared as well. And I don't like to trade from this kind of area, but I'm scared because I burned from before because I should have anticipated from there. Now they can do anything, okay? But if they give you a trade from here, it will be like a super duper trade. If they can do it. And then if you can you have to be quick if you have to take trades from here. So now they reached here. I mean, they already inverted this area. They should not come down. They should have this one was supposed to be a little bit bigger. Now they're coming down, I don't know. If they've taken today's low, if they have to do reaction on the top side, they could have done it. Otherwise, they will stop you out. If they stop you out, just get a stop out. But at least you can say I took a chance. This one is not a good sign. Again, they look like they're going to dig down. Anticipation was the trade. Because they've taken out today's low. I don't know what happened to ES. Because there is not a structure was not good. This one they're coming down now. Again today's low. So 1 minute left. Is there any news? Not really. Okay, fine. If they now close on the top of this one, I'll take a good buy. But testing here, I can take a chance, but it's not good. Because I don't know how much bearish there, but if they can close on the top of that, it will be a bullish sign. For a while, it's not like a permanent bullish or bearish. I'm not talking about this one. I don't know. It's just all anticipation. You have to do it. That's what I can think of. Other than that, there is nothing there. Okay. So if it close on the top of that, then I can just ride the run for a while until the maybe today's opening price. Let's see if they can close it. They've taken out the high. So yeah, look, say they closed it. So this one will become order block if they can do that. If they can close it. But still these things can stop it because there is a gap there. Okay. So look, they couldn't do it. Still now they didn't do it. So that means just tap the low of the things. But looks like they can do it. If they close, should we take a trade? But still the structure is not good. So 10 a.m. Okay. So wait, shut up. Selling opportunity is still there. How far they can retrace back? I'm checking. Maybe this high they will take it, and then if they close anything under, I'll look for sales today. They again taken out. That's it, done. So if they have to go down, they have to close down under somewhere. Maybe under this one. I don't know which one. any of these, any of this green candle, but structure is not good, trust me. I can just anticipate it, that's it, nothing else I can do. So okay, let's see if the 15 minutes can give us a little bit up, little bit up, little bit up, little bit up, little bit up. They have to create some sort of something, but a better trade would be if they can close under. They're doing that old-fashioned still doing the old-fashioned, what is it called, consolidation. From here to take a trade, they need to close somewhere, under somewhere. Let me see what ES doing. ES is supposed to be bullish. Yeah, ESD is done as well. ES now bullish and Q bearish. I mean, like, what the hell is going on? Okay. Yeah. No. Why? They need to close. They need to close under. Because they've taken out today's low, so they can all create problem. Yeah, they need to be very, very fast. They're not doing it. 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 Yeah, they're struggling here, and they need to go through it. This time, if they come down, I can anticipate previous day low. If they can come down forcefully, they need to close. Look at this, what they're doing. Like same thing like yesterday. No follow through. I don't like it. Look, they're now doing it. So they came here, tested. This is going down to me. They close down, the trade should be from here, but I don't know where could be my stop loss. Let's say if we take the trade from here, where could be my stop loss? On the top of that, 24. I'll get it stop out maybe, because better would be taking the trade from this gap maybe. Let's see if they can create a gap there. 28 minutes, 30 second, 30 second, 20 second. If they can create a gap here, they didn't, see? So they've taken out this low and then they didn't create a gap. So that means they easily can come back here. But you see how ugly the price is. So they came to rebalance. Still, I can take a chance, but the problem is that, I mean, it's not that nice. Because this 15 minutes, they've taken out this low and then they can easily go back to trade this gap. If you trade any kind of continuation, they are crashing us. That's the only problem. Every time they're taking liquidity, yesterday as well, same thing they did. Every time they're taking liquidity, they're giving a bounce. That's what they've been doing for the last, except you are on the top of it or on the bottom of it. Otherwise they will crash you. Consolidation top or consolidation bottom. This kind of trade not gonna work. What I understood now from yesterday. So I'm taking this idea out. So look, this low they taken, now they're coming back. What are you gonna do? You can only take a chance from here maybe and put a stop loss, but this is not good trading, are they? And all of a sudden they'll move. Ugly price action. They're making it very, very difficult for the people. Because they've taken out today's low, so now this is the move they're doing. So if you try to buy it, sell it, whatever you do, they will come back to you. if they were bearish, they shouldn't have gone like, let's say, more than this. Tiny bit maybe more, but I don't want them to trade this gap. So my invalidation point should be here. You understand? I don't want them to go on the top of this anymore. If they are bearish, let's say. Let me put a mark here. This is my, if they come here after that, then I need, like yesterday, remember, further evidence. So this gap was untraded. So they came here now. This was the original kind of order. Which one was the original order block? Let me see. All this candle, they taken out this high, but they didn't take out this high. So this high can be a possibility. So I don't know. After that, I don't have nothing else to say, because these things taken out this low. But look, original idea was to buy it from here. It was ugly. Now look, from here it became beautiful. This is A++ setup. But am I bullish right now? Short term, I don't know. They are so near to the previous day low. They're not gonna take this low. I'm still believing that they should take this low, and then after that they can do something. So they came here. Yeah, this could be, this could be the ending point of it. This high should be protected. I don't know why. To me, this high should be protected. Anything can happen. Now the question is that how they will trade this gap. You understand? So this is, are they gonna go down, or they gonna like keep it? They have to go down. If they have to go down, they have to go down very, very quick. Very, very quick, and they have to close down somewhere. I don't know where. 100% they have to close it. They shouldn't stop it, because these are order block. If they stop here, not a good sign. Okay. This candle should not come back. This should go. Now this stopping. Come on, don't stop. Don't go stop. Just go through it. So that means not a good sign. Okay. So that's it. But this candle has to go through. But this one should not take it anymore. To me, I'm thinking about selling to the previous day. It's still bearish, but they're not giving you any opportunity. Okay, let's see if they can create a little opportunity. This is not anymore order block to me. Sorry, this was the order block they created. Now they came and traded this one. So yeah, they closing on the top of that, means things got invalidated. There's nothing. Now you can look for, but I didn't wanted them to go on. Now they can close on the top of everything. But if you say they are bearish, I didn't wanted them to come back on the top of this one. Okay. So that's what I was trying to say. This is my another invalidation point, let's say. For 1 minute at least, because this one already E has taken it. So I don't know why this candle, I don't know. This is a continuation candle. They should not go down here. Look, they close on the top of that. Did they not like it? 9-10. Next candle is lots of things it tell you. Look, see, still bearishness they're showing, but my invalidation point is there, but like they are under the price. Okay, 10 o'clock. Let's see what, sorry, 10, 15 minutes candle opening. What the next 15 minutes candle will do, we don't know. I am thinking if they could give us a bearishness, bullishness, everything. It's so bad. Bearishness is better, like to take out previous days low. So near to that, and then they're not taking it. It's like, I don't know, man. I feel like to sell it, but look at this. This gap is supporting how much? They should have gone through it already. They are not, because these things is stopping them, but they have a chance of going up. So difficult price. If they are bearish, they were supposed to fall because they didn't fall. I don't know how this candle will be closing. We got 3 minutes left. These 3 minutes, they should have gone down here. No more punky. Man, come on, go down, man. If you want to go down now. This is when you have time. You don't have time. And I don't have time. I have to go to work, man. Don't you understand? So now they're taking out the low again and then they're bouncing back again. They should not bounce back anymore. They should have just gone through it. This one, no idea. They should have just bam like that. They should have gone through. They're now taking liquidity and going back. What a. Oh Lord. Playing, man. Trying to say, oh, buy. Trying to say buy. But I'm saying to buy to the downside. That's what I can see. But if they go up, what can we do? You get a stop out. That's what you do. You get stop out. They should have gone now, maybe they should not stop here, man. Why are they stopping here, man? What are you trying to do? Just go through it, man. You got 3 minutes left. You're not gonna do that. Look at the price. Do you like this price? As soon as you see your money, you should take it and run away with your life. They're taken down, but you have to be quick, fast. Pillage. Not stopping. Non-stop down, please. Go through today's low if you can. They're bouncing back from this area, which is not a good sign. How difficult this price is, man. I cannot believe it. For the last few days, it's so bad, Price was so good, before. I don't know why they're doing these things. They should just go through it. Today's low, okay, fine. You retesting, you saying that from here they're gonna go. I don't know, man. If they can do it, do it. Take some loss. But previous day, this one should be an easy target. I don't know why they're not doing it. This candle should have gone through. Then after that, if they take this liquidity, they already came to rejection block. And now what? We got 1 minute left. If they don't go down now, what they're gonna do? Sorry for that. I took a little one, but problem is that I cannot take it out. Oh, what is it? No. Where is my that things, man? I don't even know. So I'm just running. Look, 100 points, yeah, with 1. So 100 points with 1. I'm just to show you a little bit, but because I don't know, I should hold it or just come out. I'm just holding it for whatever we can get, yeah. But they taken out these things. I should take my profit because look, 50 points, more than 50 points. I got it with 1 only because there will be a little bounce. I just came out. Okay, so that's it. But they will go down today's previous day low. So I just came out. This low is possible. Okay. So I just took out 1. I'm done. But do you understand why I was saying invalidation of this one, invalidation of that one? Because it makes sense, If they are bearish, they're trapping people here. Look, new day opening gap. So now they came down here. This low is one of the very important low. Okay, so now they're a little bit bouncing back. Do I want to take this bounce? Now they created this liquidity. Maybe the next trade will be, look, I came out here, short-term trading. Okay, so how much I saved myself by coming out there? Look, 30 points. Do you understand? So I'm saying, like, look, now they will even come maybe there because they have to come. Then from there, if I'm feeling good, why not I take the trade from here? They don't need to go there anymore. That's it, done. They don't need to go anymore. I'm thinking if they have to go down, that's the area they should go down. That's it, done. Let's go. At least we caught them from here, like I was trying from this area, but I got to stop out. I made money, lost it, like everything I did it because I was too much. Because every day they're doing these things. Never I saw this kind of things. But it's fine. If they do it, we'll get used to it, the market condition, isn't it? The market will do everything, but we have to be careful. We have to be careful about our mental side of it because it's gonna play. Look how much difficulty is created over there. But I trusted that they will go down. But first I did it, but the thing is that this candle created the problem. So this could be, look, I saved my, otherwise I would now get all the money would have lost. But this is the opportunity of selling back again to me because they didn't reach to their ultimate, what is it called? ICD is to call is terminus. So this is the terminus, previous day low. Now this one will close down. This will be a very good run if they can do it. Quick, fast. Then after around 11 o'clock, I don't know, man. I've got levels there. Those kind of area, they can easily go back as well. So I took 50 point from there to here. So almost 60 point, I would say. Even more than that, I would say. Yeah, because it was like, so I got 133. That means 30 means 65 points I got it from there. So if I had, let's say, 10 of them, I would be more than 1,000, isn't it? We'll do it from, I'm just practicing. Every day we have to practice. Market condition is very, very tough. Look at this, how this frustrated you. But if you have your idea that I don't want to see it going on the top of that. I don't want to see it going on top of that. This kind of idea. Why? There are logic behind it. We have to be logical. They were near the today's low. Remember I told you there will be bounce. There was a little bounce. Did I got trapped? Little bit sometimes, but then I understood that they need to go down. Then they gone down. I mean, still they got chances of going down here. So now you can see that lower price. That's what you can see. I don't know. I have to. Where is my things, man? It's just. Today, like, I have to go back to work. So every Friday, I don't like it. I feel like I'm going to jail. I know it sounds so bad, but it is. I mean, so bad. I don't like to go to the. Look at this so beautiful run. I could keep it, and I could have done because I'm gonna go right now. Because I have to go a little bit, another 10-15 minutes later, I have to get ready. So if I kept my trade from there, and then let's say it stopped me out, whole day I would be upset because I will not have chance to recover it. Otherwise, I would have just sell it from there again, back again. I told you, today's low, they closed it, they came back, there is a gap there. Just freaking believe this gap, okay? There is another gap there. This is a breakaway gap. Believe this one because they shown you sign from the new day opening gap. Now they're gonna go down here. This is ultimate terminus. Okay, so after that, will they stop here? I don't think so. They should go down more. So from the daily, I think they will from my point of view, they should go down somewhere around this area, whatever I identified it. I don't know what the hell is that. If you write down those number, I mean, I don't know, check it. What is the point? Because I'm going to come back later on. This is a recording anyways. So if they come down and from there they invert and then they stay inside, that is my expectation from this week. So if you check it, how this weekly looks like right now, look, this is look like that. So after taking out some kind of a weekly highs, this weekly highs, all these things they taken out and they're closing down like that, but it's still the midpoint, they didn't reach it. Okay, so I'm not thinking about midpoint. When they come down like that, midpoint is not important, because the next candle midpoint is, if this candle come back to midpoint, this is a bad sign. So I don't want them to be like here and then just come through midpoint, go through everything. I would say just from there, if they could close around this area or somewhere, back again, previous week low area or somewhere here. And then next week they can dig down again, and then they can go up from there. I could think that they are bullish. Their bullishness, they kept it. But this candle has to close a little bit up around this area. Okay, so then the next candle can take out this candle liquidity, and then they can just go up if they want to go up. But if they want to go down from here, it's possible, because I told you the things are not looking good. But the next week is very important for us. Let me take out all this, hide this. Why next week is important for us? Let me talk about this one and I finish about these things, okay? Because I don't want to be lengthy and I have to do shaving, I have to go to work because I have to go to the jail. I don't have freedom, man. Weekend is completely taken by these people. So this is a calendar, economic calendar. I follow them because they got a like elaborated one. So this, what is it called? What should I say? Next week, let's say. This week? No, not this week. Next week. Next week, filter it only for, let's say, USA. There is no point of unnecessary thinking about other people. We don't care about other country. Even though I live in UK. UK was good, but nowadays, I mean, I'm not saying UK is bad, but I'm saying like, UK is like, London is not the financial world, like the hub, that big hub anymore. But it's a big one, trust me, but not the ultimate leader anymore. So that's what I'm saying. Like there is no, before the London news used to be important as well. Anyways, forget about me. I'm like a little guy, what I understand. Next week, Wednesday, we got PCE. Okay, PCE is a big things because Fed normally follow this one, as an inflation gauge. So this is one of the things we're going to check it. We're going to check it, some of the things, personal consumption as a PC. So the same thing, So different kind of things they're going to give us any kind of, I don't want to talk about economic data because there is no point of talking. I'm not qualified for that. But this is the thing is important. Okay, Jackson Hole Symposium. So every year this is a meeting they're gonna happen between the central bankers. So they will be in a very nice mountainous area, and they will sit down together, have lunch, dinner together, talk about what they're gonna do, what will be the policy, what they're gonna change, these kind of things. So this is very important next week. So I'm looking to see what the kind of vibe they create. I mean, this is not important because there are other players as well, It's not only the central banker, but central banker create decision for the interest rate. So you will get a sign from that area, okay? So hopefully they'll give us a positive sign so that they can take the market up. So there will be like a, week will be full of that story. So we want to see what people say. I mean, trading is all about fundamental and technical together. So I don't only trade with the technical. Technical is, I mean, anybody can trade, technical trade. But then where is the fun? You just like only following technical things. I like to talk about fundamental as well, and a little bit like, so that we have a discussion, things like that. When I'll have a community, like let's say if I can gather up some people, who are similar minded. If you want to be a millionaire a billionaire, don't follow me. You're not gonna get nothing from me, because I'm not a person like I'm gonna gamble here. Okay. Making money is very easy, but I told you. But the problem is that there are other things to life as well. If you already understood, okay. So that's what I'm saying. If I find some people like who got similar interest and things like that, who can teach me as well, about economy and things like that, we can discuss about these things after trading. Let's say I have a loss, but still now we discuss about that. Why these things happen. These are the things I want to do. Okay. So the main purpose of this YouTube channel is to find some similar minded people. Okay. Because I've got my friends, they don't trade. So when I go to them, like, I can't talk about trade, we talk about other things, personal life and things like that. But I mean, I want some people who actually only want to trade. So then their life, trading is a big part on them. I want to make trading as a big part of me, because I enjoy studying and learning about these things, learn about the bond market, talking about like when things will happen. That's why I like ICT. ICT given some time frame, like there are time he set it up in his strategy, which one is like one of the nicest things I love about it. I didn't study it properly because I don't have chance to study, because I'm working weekend. Like I said, now today I'll go until Monday. Just completely, I don't have a breathing space. So that's what I'm saying. I'm going to jail today. So as soon as I can come out from this one, I'm trying my best to come out from this. As soon as I can come out, then I will find a way to like create something like which will be like, there will be discussion, there will be research. So these kind of things we're gonna do. Okay. So we have to be careful next week. So Jackson Hole Symposium. So by saying these things, I don't have nothing else to say. We had a trade. I'm happy with that. I had a good profit. Now they bouncing back. Let's see what they did. So this one, okay. So what they did, they still didn't take out previous day low. So previous day low, look this one. So they came near it and then they're bouncing back. Do you think they are bullish? Look at this, how nice structure they created. This low is another significant low as well. Don't forget, this low, remember? So they came back to trade there and then they're going back. So they came that near and they don't want to take this previous day low. Do you want to believe that, or they want to go up? ES didn't take it as well. So do you think this today, Friday, will be an inside day? Is up to you to think about it. Okay. So this, if it doesn't take out this side, if it doesn't take out that side, it will be inside day today for ES and NQ both. So I'm leaving you to this to understand, and hopefully you got something from today. So short-term trading, we sold it from there, came out here, done. 65 points. So I can trade more, but I don't have time. I'm going to jail. So you take care, and hopefully you're liking these videos, and we're gonna make more videos so that we can discuss about these things and we can talk about our what is it called, with the economy and the what is it called, trading calendar, everything together. Okay, you have a nice time. I have to get ready, and then I'll talk to you again on Monday if I can. Okay, so until that, you enjoy. But today I might not put the video up because I can't, because I'm going to work right now. Maybe in the evening, when evening means at night time when I'm coming back, if I can, I'll try to upload it. Okay, so you will be able to see it in the weekend. So take care of yourself, and I'll talk to you on Monday.